I'm right now at Sherway Garden picking up my new Apple Watch. Oh my god, I'm excited. So I did had the series 6, but I don't know what was happening. I don't know what was happening to the watch. So sometimes it works, sometimes it does not. So I just did a trade-in online, Apple Store. So I had a 6, so now I have an 8. And that's my Apple Watch. Same color of my clothes, like green is my absolute favorite color, and the watch itself is starlight color. It's not silver. I don't know, maybe in the light, in the sunlight it looks silver, but it's starlight. So I ordered my Eid dress online, and for the first time I'm wearing like abaya, but it's not really, there's a sleeve in it, like kind of kaftan abaya style. So I'm actually excited because in Mauritius I always used to wear like, you know, churidar, sarwar suit. But yeah, so I'm excited to try something new, Arabic style. And in Canada here we can't really wear so like all kind of clothes, because then it's just gonna sit and we're not gonna wear it. Like in Mauritius we go places, stuff like that. Here is a little different. So I need to get something that is, you know, okay to wear like later on as well. Time is flying. It's already 20 days of Ramadan. It's like, where did this time goes? Times flies, like times flies. I'm excited for Eid, but you know, like this is a month that we take advantage and you know, like praise a lot, lots of good deeds, and you know, like so much is going on, and this is our advantage that we have taken and we will take. So we came to Home Depot and I've been sneezing like crazy. So allergy with pollen and flower coming from plant. So we came to Home Depot and I started sneezing like maybe 10 times in a row. So we are getting some pots, as you can see. That's my buggy right here. John is inside getting something else. I just stopped at in the garden center, which is almost going to close, and like they already put away so much stuff. It's late, it's 7 o'clock, almost time to go home and break the fast. So yeah, I think I'm getting these 2 pots. I'll show you the projects that we did in our backyard. We changed it completely. If you have been watching my vlog video since last year, then you will see how was my backyard, and now we've changed it a little bit. So there is a lot of seeds to pick up from. My favorite at all time will be spinach, and also I got some green beans, and I do have eggplant already at home, but I don't see eggplant here. Guys, it is Tuesday night, 9:30, and I'm still still making video like dessert for Eid, like I always do every year. So this year I'm a little late. So much is going on right now. Like I have like a busy life. I don't know where to start and where to finish. So things is going on in the oven, like sneak peek, and that's gonna be our Eid dessert recipe. So I will post this tomorrow for sure, hopefully. Just wish me luck. So I supposed to make a Ramadan vlog each week, like at least one video, but I couldn't. So what I did was like first 2 weeks of Ramadan, and also that video I posted on the beginning of the third week. So I think by the time you watch this, it's gonna be like half Ramadan, end of Ramadan vlog, and also Eid. So I'm probably gonna add on together. In the whole month of Ramadan, I have been like so tired. Like, you know, when I have to present myself on in front of the camera, I need to obviously dress up and makeup on, things like that. So since I have no time, I have not showing my face and just make video, and this is what is most necessary and important. Update on my cookbook. My cookbook is ready to review. It's gonna take me a while to review because I want to make sure everything in the book is perfect and nothing is missing. Everything is in its place. I need to double check everything before the book go to print. But yes, I am going to let you guys know exactly when is it going to happen. But right now I have a lot of job to do in the book by reviewing it. I still have a lot to prepare on today's date, and right now I'm making my favorite kulfi malai. This is what I'm gonna make for dessert today, and I still have a lot to do. Still have to go marinate my meat that has been soaking in water right now, and it's better to leave it in the fridge. Okay, I'm always late, so first of all, Eid Mubarak to everyone, all of you, all of your family member, everybody. So I marinated my meat this morning and I forgot to buy yogurt. So like this happened to me all the time. If I didn't forget yogurt, I would forget mint or cilantro, mint, coriander. Like I will have to forget something. I don't know. You guys are the same as me. That's not cool because now I have to come out just to go buy yogurt, and that's not cool. I got what I need. I got gas as well at the same time because last night gas price went down by 4 cents, and now I'm stuck right here. Let me show you. With a train. This is just commercial train, and this is so long, and it just takes so long to finish. It's always like that. I go outside to get one item and then I come back with a whole bag. And okay, so finally it is done, and the door is opening. Couldn't get a chance to film everything that I made, so my guests already left, and yeah, now I'm doing dishes. Just put the dishwasher on, and it is 11:30 at night, and it's time to go sleep. Everything is done, clean up, and yeah, I know my face is telling me everything that I need to go sleep and take a nice rest for the next day. So much to do again tomorrow.